Hello guys, welcome once again to another episode on our GBPUSD weekly overview. I am Trade with Popper and I would be hosting us for today, as I always have. So let's get right into it. GU is in consolidation mode on the monthly. It's in this sideways channel. Broke out here, broke back into it here, and it's reacting now, so we can say that it's going back here first. Either to do this or not, that it does this, comes back down here. So you can either come here, break out, or come back down here and break out, whichever one. But with this formation we're seeing it's bullish on the monthly. It's in a range, but it's bullish on the monthly. So that being said, we want to drop down to a lower time frame. Weekly will practically show you the same thing the monthly is showing you. So I just drop down straight to the daily. Now on the daily, we can see where GU is reacting from. GU is still bullish on the daily. As you can see over here, we have main buy trend. This is where the bullish movement started from. We have our main buying trend and we have the immediate buy trend. If you want to understand more about trend lines, I made a trend line video. So we are still very much bullish on the daily. Now around here was where I was hoping to see. I am hoping that price will change to the downside, but so long as we are still trading above the trends, we are not going to be seeing any strong sells. You get sales, but they will be more like pullback. Here was the zone where I was hoping for, but this one was large and I had to fine tune it too. This is the other block that sold price down this long. This other block here. This was the other block that when price broke out of, it came back into it, retested it, and then dropped price. So now price is there again. That's where we got. If you were following on my Telegram channel, you would see that we got a sell here, sold down here 100 pips, and then I wanted to continue that sell. Before, as of then, my zone was very large. So on the 1 hour, price tapped back into it, and I saw an engulfing, and that was another criteria for me to enter for a sell, but it's stop loss on that trade idea. So going back to the daily time frame, I fine-tuned it and I saw, okay, the actual sell zone is up. And if you notice, on the 1 hour when we called out that trade, we entered just at the tip here. Our entry was 27,200, 127,200. That was our entry. So, and that's where we got our sell rejection. So this week, last week price closed back in that zone. So this week, what we want to see is price either break above the zone, retest it and continue going, or the zone holds and it pushes price into a correction mode, then ultimately break the trend. But on the daily, we are still bullish. So price can continue in this new week, and we see something like this continue up until the next resistance, which is here, this other block here. Continue up until this next resistance. So for now, we are bullish, but we still want to be careful in this area outlined. So if you see reasons to continue this buy, we'll continue it, but we are still in this zone. Price has not yet left this zone. So yes, we are supposed to sell from here, but price cannot just immediately go from an uptrend into a downtrend. Look at here when the trend wanted to change. It tapped into a monthly zone, and then did it start going up immediately? No. The monthly zone is a wide one. This is the first time we tapped into it, but you cannot see that on this chart. But this is the first time we tapped into the monthly buy zone. We got this rejection, and then it came back down still. So now you could have said, for it to be coming back down, it's not going to buy, it's going to continue going lower. But look what happened. After coming back down, it took its time, rested, and then made a bullish change of character. And it did not still continue going up immediately. It consolidated for a while, giving us strong sell candles before finally taking off. So market is not just going to change trend here. That was my confusion last week, and as always, when you lose, it's an indication that, okay, you're not seeing something clearly. So go back to your chart and you would always find the answer. So because I clearly saw this zone where price was reacting from, but based on it's a sell zone, I felt, okay, let's take a sell. But if it's a sell zone, it's not going to sell immediately. The main trend will still be obeyed. The main trend is a buy trend, so you will still favor more buys than sells. You should still favor more buys than sells in this scenario. What I was doing was trying to favor a sell. Now I got my sell here, then I was trying to favor a continuation here when the trend has clearly not changed. And I took 2 losses, and now it's clear to me. So we're still bullish until we break this immediate trend. Then we know we are entering into correction phase. But still, we want to be careful in this area. So if we see signs to continue to buy, definitely we'll continue to buy up until the next resistance. And if we take out this resistance, we are going up until the next one. So long as we are trading above an uptrend, our uptrend, we are bullish on GU. Bullish until trend is broken. For now, trend is not broken, so we're bullish. So that's it for this week, guys. GU is bullish. We are bullish on GU. Let me take you down to the 1 hour to show you where we got in for the sell. It was a reversal. We got in just at that point here. Got in at this point here, and then it came back, tested it, and then dropped 100 pips plus bar 100 pips. And then look at this. I knew this was a zone, but yet I kept on trying to sell from here. I tried selling from here, then I sold from here, and the 2 of them eat SL. Clearly, this zone is still going to hold. It's going to find a base here. If it must sell, it's going to find a base here and then come back and break this uptrend line. Then we can now start favoring more sells than buys. We can start favoring more sells than buys. But in the meantime, as we're like this, we're looking for more buys. And then if we get a reversal, we sell. But if we don't get a reversal, we are going to continue buying. No continuation for sell, because the sell I tried taking here was a continuation. They tapped into here. You know, the zone was down here, but not clear at all. So that's it, guys. This week we are bullish. If we clear this zone, we are going to the next one. This next zone up here. But we are bullish for now. If maybe we get here and we get a reversal setup, definitely we'll take it down. And if hopefully we're able to break below this zone, then we'll continue taking it down. Do you understand? But if we do not break below this demand zone and the trend line, we are still bullish. We're still bullish on GBPUSD. Stay safe, guys. Stay guided.
Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video.